Hi, I bought a new GoPro 8 on special just to upgrade from my old GoPro 2. The main reason being that a lot of the footage that I filmed with the GoPro 2 just wasn't usable because the image just shaked around too much on the rough tracks. So the main thing I was looking for was the hyper smooth function on the GoPro 8. So I got the new GoPro, unpacked it, and the first thing I had to do was try and download the app. That didn't work for my Samsung Galaxy. It's probably about 3 or 4 years old and it didn't support the app. And the other thing is I've got a laptop that's probably about 6 years old, running Windows 10, and couldn't work out how to put an app on that. So I had to download the instructions, the written instructions, and try and work my way through those. The main thing that I struggled with was you're supposed to have 4 settings for the hyper smooth, and I could only work out how to either have it on or off, and still haven't worked out how to get the extra settings on that. And the other issue with my laptop, it's probably a bit old, but I could only use the camera with the standard setting and play it back on my computer. Any of the more advanced settings just wouldn't play back on my computer properly. They'd freeze up or not play at all. Yeah, that's another issue. So anyway, this is just a test, show you a comparison riding up a rough track, but just how good this hyper smooth is, even though it's not even using the boost function. It's just hyper smooth on, and you can just see when you compare it to the old camera just how good this is. Yeah, you can see the difference with the old camera. Before we even get to the rough stuff, it's shaking around all over the place. Once we get to these rougher bits, it's almost unusable. Then up the top here, it's just really not usable at all, and it's a shame because you know, it's the most interesting bit of the track. The setting I'm using with the GoPro 8 is 1080 60 wide with the hyper smooth turned on, and that's probably the setting I'll use all the time.